Hi guys, it's Nunu and we're here in English 101, of course, College Reading and Composition 1. We are in week 6 in modules, March 11th through the 17th. Before I go over assignments that are due this week, let me remind you, please, that I have Confer-Zoom and office hours in General Classroom Building 210D, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. Here is Confer-Zoom here, where you can video conference with me. You can also visit me in my office, 210D, in the General Classroom Building, and you can reach me in inbox, and you're never bothering me when you email me, okay? Don't be afraid of emailing me too much. If you have questions about an assignment or concerns, email me as many times as you need to. Okay, so let's find out what we're doing in week 6. Before we do so, let's look at this cool quote I found from Einstein. I like it. I hope you do too. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think. Albert Einstein. Okay. So I want to remind you again, before we go into week 6, our research paper topic is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem. And in the past 5 weeks of the semester, and in week 6, of course, we are already working on our research paper. And again, our research paper is based on the Workshopping the Essay policy. It is right here. If you want to learn what my pedagogy is, my teaching method, it is right here. Okay. Let's go up to week 6. We can go into week 6 in modules in the left menu. And as you'll recall, modules is our Bible in the classroom. It contains all of our class readings and assignment directions. Everything you submit, you'll submit in modules. You can click on this link here or go to this handy little link I've created for you here. I'm going to click on the link here and it will take me into week 6. And I see discussion 4B, the essay about teacher-posed obstacles to student success. It's 120 points, 1,000 words. And we have 2 quizzes, sentence structure errors 1 and sentence structure errors 2. Please remember to submit the quizzes this week, but once you submit them, you can submit them as many times as you like until the end of the semester, until you earn the highest possible grade. Okay. Please remember, too, that although I have March 17th as the due date for these assignments, that is only because March 17th is Sunday, the end of the week, and Canvas allows me to list only one due date. So for convenience, I list March 17th, but our assignments have different due dates. We have timelines inside them, and let me just point out that fact to you here. I have a due dates in our discussion 4B. You need to click on this link and find out about it. Okay, I am going to click on the back arrow here, and it's going to take me back into home. And I'm going to wish you a great week. And remember, I'm here and I care about your learning. Okay?